You know the time to give me instructions.
Were you trying to take the pomon?
Be a guest of this channel. Hey! When you see apprentice eating odd food,
Wait.
what are you showing me now? Now that you are eating that fish all by yourself.
Hey!
Your audience will...
Why are you like that?
I said, a miracle is going to happen.
Hello guys, beautiful family, welcome again to another Mukbang video. Fredo,
what's going on here, baby?
How are you all doing, guys? Good to have you all back here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video.
Wait, are you presenting them with an empty plate again?
Calm down. I am in charge here. Anyways, you saw me cooking in the kitchen, so what are we having, baby boy?
Empty plate and fufu.
You are not serious. We are gonna do this. We have a massive plate of something, but before we get into today's video, if this is your
when and how did you come up with these empty things always in front of me? You don't have respect though.
Babe, this is my channel. I determine what happens, okay? I set the pace.
Excuse me?
Yours is just to come and eat.
Excuse me?
If you want to come and eat...
Okay, am I going to be eating empty plate?
Don't dictate what is going on.
How can you be making me salivating for empty plates? Only on your channel.
We have to pray for us.
Oh! Father, we thank you for this big mighty empty plate right here. Father, in everything, including empty plates, we want to say thank you, and we are hopeful that in 24 seconds this plate will be full. And so we say minus Satan plus God, and the people of God will say
amen. You know, I am the giver of good food. Okay? So you calm down, alright?
So the empty plate now, I say a miracle is going to happen.
When I call you to come and eat, just come and eat and stop making too much noise.
It's good to be a guest on this channel. Hey!
Oh, girlfriend!
Gang.
You see that?
Gang.
Oh, yeah, take it and pour it now. No burn my face, so. Hold it very well. Make it.
My hand. One more. Hey. More. That was a miracle I prayed for.
Oh, wow.
I am.
Oh, girlfriend, then you make me burn this soup. Oh.
Well, that's what you get if you don't. when you try to put me in suspense, that's what you get.
So we are having some Ogbono soup and oatmeal fufu. Yep.
Movie. What is going on here?
It's food.
Oh.
As a good wife that I am. All right. Ooh. Why is the fufu just falling as if it has no respect like this? Yeah. Oh yeah, start eating now. Yeah.
I'm just watching because I don't know what is going on here.
Ogbono soup, guys.
I don't know what this woman is doing these days. Always coming to give me some suspense. I don't know what is coming from the empty plate.
First, as always, goes to you. Oh my God, it's smoky hot. My love, you're eating this food as what?
Not be juju be that.
As in,
better let me behave myself because I am trying to check who cooked this soup.
Iyashikira,
you know. Because I know the hand of Iyashikira.
You are a mumu man.
I've told you to be asking me to give you temoku in your mouth.
damn. Alright.
Asuquo has been on duty for a while now.
Ooh.
Onion me. Guys, you know when you eat Ogbono soup.
Oh. That's right.
When you see apprentice eating hot food, that's how you know. We like this, we don't get degree to eat hot food.
Kora.
We have degree.
Listen, I like hot food like this, but it's like my tolerance level for hot food is not even helping matters. Wait, were you trying to take the pomon? You have
Guys.
No.
What is going to happen here today?
No, eat first. Eat. You can't listen when you're eating. No. Hey!
Your audience will not help you from my hand.
Pour the food.
Your audience will not help you from my
My
hand.
love. I like that. Oh yeah, it don't burn you. You see what greed can do to you. You're eating with somebody who have not even arranged on how. We have a constitution. We have.
I won't marry you again, no.
We have a set of rules when
What
you're eating.
rules?
Listen, you don't just go for the meat like that. You don't go for the meat like that. It doesn't work around here. Guys, there's fish. Ooh. You took the meat, you just cut it twice and you ate it.
You know, better for my enemy. Who wants to come and spoil my hot food specialties? No, I'm not going to those meat again. No, those meat. the heat on them, eh? This one I had plans before. Jeez.
You said you're the king of hot food now. This is messy eating. Messy eating 101.
Now this promote in my eye, but the heat, eh?
That is a no-go area for right now. Damn.
See what my enemy can do to me?
Who is your enemy?
They know themselves. They took away my Temuku upgrade. Now that you are eating that fish all by yourself, I am just looking at you.
I didn't stop you from eating the fish. The Ogbono can draw. Ooh. Okay, you made me stain my clothes now.
How did you see it?
I have to be using my paper all the time, otherwise my face will be so messy. Any Ogbono lover in the house? Wait, now let me see.
Baby, why like this? I can't be eating my food in peace. I'm going to send you on sabbatical again, so I can be enjoying this my channel by myself.
Or somebody who baked for my return. Now you're running your mouth. Oh yeah, open the next fufu.
You don't ask Odogu to open the next fufu. That is disrespectful. My mommy used to serve my daddy. Please, Can you open that fufu?
Open the next fufu jar.
Why is all this 21st century wives like this? Oh, please, can you open the next fufu?
Cheers, guys. Hey, you see the pomo? Now only one pomo there. My love, hold on.
Open the next fufu. If you don't want what happened and if you're a mother, behave, serve your husband. This is the first time I'm giving my wife order.
Did you hear the kind of things they say to patronize me? No problem. Wait, my love, hold on. Let me show you something. Wait.
What are you showing me now?
Wait, my love. This is my favorite now.
Not be juju be that.
You don't put it on your mouth, I beg. Cut half. Half, please.
You didn't say your wife? You didn't say your wife before?
Babe, you know the sip on my hair. Okay. Why are you like that?
It's been a while. I heard my wife shout like that. I love that your shout too. It's always an epic shout.
Don't be like that.
I love my wife. I love that her shout. Voice you don't get. And when she wants to force to shouting, it will be like squirrel. Squirrel where escape get trapped.
I said this one my husband just nice all of a sudden. I knew, in fact, but it didn't
Occur to you.
It didn't occur to me that you were
targeting something else.
My shaki. This is got me shaki. That one is the lungs. You can take it.
Oh my god.
Baby, on me no. Damn.
Ima, the way you have been suffering me in this on this your channel, okay. I trust your fans. They wear me out.
Yeah. So good.
How can I be looking at all these choppy things like this on this plate, and all they can keep giving me is conditions? Don't touch this, don't touch that.
Go for this for more. I will hope for more, guys.
I think I have to learn to take my eyes off that mama, because that mama will punch me.
So why are you dropping the thing everywhere now? If you want to eat here. I'm permitting you to bite and put it here today.
You know they tired to give me instructions. Yeah, I want put food for mouth. They give me instructions.
Why not go give you instruction? Where be say?
You dey hear my wife like this, you go think say she quiet. You go dey dish out instructions small. If I hear,
Maybe say your sense there for back your.
her voice so sexy.
Go sit down.
Oh my god. Guys, have I told you? I've been married to my wife for 11 years. I've not heard her raise her voice on me. Her voice, it be like squirrel when motor hit for road. Boomy.
Since you say my voice is like a squirrel, touch my money.
That's which money?
Touch my money now.
Shebi na when I touch it, you just shout like squirrel. So now money I go shout, make your voice go up.
Touch my money.
Don't worry, now that Poma I go touch. Let's see what will happen.
Before you touch and before anything happens. My God, it is hot. goat head, guys. How do you call this one?
Take. Eat. Babe, I thought you said you love me. Love kill me, eh? So the love no reach where that pomode. Let me take a bite, babe. I'm your one and only. Okay, now I beg go. Since I don't say any attempt to say go, then go lynch me for talking to.
I'm glad you know your wife. Guys, this was my love, feed your wife now. I can't even carry the pomo from the plate. Abba.
God. They're not fighting me again. Gang.
What that pass, Gary?
Gang.
This man, you get it though. For some reason, I cooked this pomo forever. Until no cook.
This is snacks inside Ogbono.
Thank you so much for sticking around with us. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you. If this is your first time here, we thank you so much. Please go ahead, do us that massive favor by clicking on the subscribe button underneath the video. A lot of you have been watching and enjoying our content, but you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe below. And to all our oldies, you know how it is, you know how much we love you. Thank you for your consistency. Thank you for your continued support. God bless you until we come your way again next time.